Hey everyone, Rhonda Robson with Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry, and today we are going to be doing leftover paints again and leftover canvases, and this is the second one in the series, so let's get started. Well, hey everyone, I am back today. Thanks for joining me on my Fluid Art channel. Today is kind of a special day because I am doing what I call LOP paint, leftover paint. I've got about 2 years of paints that I have had excess of, and taking some canvases that I may have scraped or didn't like how it looked exactly when it came out, when it dried. Maybe it moved when it dried, maybe the surface wasn't level. I got a lot of canvases that I want to do today. So that's what we're doing. Is I call it leftover paint, or you can call it everything but the kitchen sink. All right, so let's start over here. I've got quite a bit of paint and those there that can work as some background paint, all of this as well. And then here's a whole bunch in my iced tea bottles. I save my iced tea bottles and recycle them for my paint storage. And then I have all of this. Some of this is bloom, some of this is for, straight pour. Some of it can be for Dutch pour, but yeah. So again, this is what I plan on doing. And you can kind of see a few of the canvases over there that I'm gonna use. And yeah, so it should be actually a very cool project. Here are all the canvases I'm gonna be using. So this will be fun, just doing LOP paints, leftover paints, and or you can call it everything but the kitchen sink. But anyway, we're gonna have some fun. All right, so we're gonna do this one now. This one was really cool, but I think it was not level, so it kind of just like slid and didn't do really great stuff. So I'm gonna do like a 3 different section of color. So let's start with this one here. Kind of a gray. Okay, so I've got different textures of paint, right? Because it's leftover paint. There's a lot of bubbles in here, so I'm popping them with my torch. And you can kind of see there's some pearl-like cells coming up as well within that black area there in the middle. And so I'm gonna just allow you to watch this at a faster pace and just kind of see what I end up doing. I've got a lot of paint on here right now, so I'm kind of moving it along and just trying to make sure I know kind of what I'm thinking about doing. All right, I'm gonna start adding in some color. I'm gonna try with Dutch pour first. So we've got some silver, and I think I'm gonna go with some blue here too as well. And actually the blue really looks cool in this when it's done. And so I'm just gonna let you again watch me create a little bit of this Dutch pour, and then also as I discover the paint, of course, is just too thick in some areas and too thin in other areas. That's the challenge of working with leftover paint, correct? But it still is awesome. So just keep watching and just enjoy the process. Okay, so let's try that again. I kind of got a little bit of the paint off, and now I'm going to do that silver and then some other blue as well. Okay, so there I got to use some fun tools, just trying to do some different things. And yeah, just have fun when you're working with leftover paint. Just learn different ways to do things. It's amazing what you can learn and to use into the next actual painting that you make and create. Okay, so now I'm going to take just a big piece of paper towel and I am going to swipe this. Yeah, I don't like it because now it's wiggly because there's too much paint on there. So let's get some of it off. Okay, that looks kind of cool. Right. We'll let the pearls kind of come up, see what happens. of cool movement on that one. Okay, so here's this one up close. You know, we'll have to wait and see what it looks like when it's done, because it's still popping up quite a bit of pearl cells. So we'll see.
Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye! Bye!